Say so. Me say we stop from idle and read up your Bible. Stop from idle and read up your Bible, and you will get sensible. Sing it said that, and you will get sensible. Man said you lose respect, you lose respect, you lose respect unto Jah. Him a go strike you with the lightning and thunder